Hey everyone, I'm Noah Cap, and welcome to In the Mix with Flavour Network. You know, the holidays are about more than just the food on the table. It's about the love and the care that goes into every dish. And for families that are facing hardships, sometimes those meals can feel farther away. That's why today we're talking about the Salvation Army Food Bank donations and how they can easily be turned into meals that matter. To share a little bit more is food expert Pei Chen.
You really emphasize that part.
Well, it's true, Pei.
I'm happy to share some great ideas with you. So I want to show you how you could take some food bank donations and basic pantry staples and turn them into hearty, healthy, and meaningful meals as well for the whole family. So Noah, first up, I wanted to show you this really beautiful soup here. It's white bean and tomato. You'll see that it's full of root vegetables simmering in a lovely tomato broth. Add in some fresh herbs or your favorite spices.
I mean, it smells delicious. This to me is just like comfort in a bowl.
Absolutely is. And if you really want to make the flavors pop in your favorite soup, add something acidic. So a splash of vinegar or a little squeeze of lemon, and it'll really make the flavors pop.
That's a great tip. All right, what's next?
So for the main, what I've done is I've got some herb roasted root vegetables with chickpeas.
Yeah.
So toss together some of your favorite root vegetables. I've got parsnips, carrots in there, and then we've got chickpeas, and then roast until golden.
Oh, come on now. So simple, so delicious.
And if you want to stretch it a little bit further, you could serve it with rice or pasta, and you've got a complete meal.
All right, smart and hearty, or as we call it, smarty. I know you. You've saved room for dessert.
I always save room for
She
dessert.
always does.
So what I've got for you is a simple bread pudding with cinnamon. So you've got milk, sugar, eggs, and then your day-old or stale bread, so nothing goes to waste.
Holiday magic. I mean, that sounds delicious.
Well, an extra little tip if you want to change up the flavor a little bit, you could add in your favorite dried fruit, maybe some sliced or grated apple, and then maybe a little scoop of your favorite jam.
That all sounds incredible, and I love that it's simple, nourishing, affordable, all the things that a family's looking for during the holidays.
Exactly. It's about more than the food. So every donated can of food, every bag of rice or pasta helps to nourish families and reminds them that they're not alone. And thanks to the work of the Salvation Army, thousands of Canadians are able to share in that comfort during the holiday season and all year long.
It's amazing. I couldn't agree more. Warmth, care, connection. These things can really make a difference for a family during the holiday season.
Well, that's the heart of it, Noah. A warm meal brings comfort, but also hope. So if you'd like to learn more or make a donation, you can visit salvationarmy.ca.
Beautifully said. This holiday season, as you gather around your family table, don't forget to sprinkle on the spirit of giving. Thank you to Pei, and thank you for hanging out with us in the mix with Flavour Network. Presented in part by the Salvation Army.